Modding a Codemasters racing game and need to access PSSG texture files. These contain graphics assets for games using the Ego engine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through extracting and modifying these Ego engine texture files. Here's a professional insight. For those PSSG files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. PSSG files are graphics package files used by the Ego engine developed by Codemasters for racing games like F1 Series Dirt and Grid. They contain compressed textures, models, and graphical assets in a proprietary format optimized for the Ego engine rendering pipeline used across Codemasters racing game franchises since 2007. Ego engine. PSSG. Files use a hierarchical binary format containing typed data nodes with attributes for textures, meshes, materials, and rendering parameters. The format includes compressed texture data using DXT compression formats, LOD levels, material definitions, and complete 3D model geometry, organized in a tree structure for efficient game engine loading. Codemasters maintains the integrity of the PSSG specification through DRT Rally. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows shows only limited details, so accessing these files depends on the engine or compatible modding utilities. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the PSSG file and select Open With. Try Dirt Rally as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. When a PSSG file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, using Ego PSSG Editor. Download the Ego PSSG Editor from racing game modding communities like Race Department or No Grip Racing. The tool provides comprehensive viewing and editing of PSSG files with the ability to extract textures and replace them with modified versions. Open the PSSG file through File, then open and navigate the resource tree to find specific assets. Next, extracting with EEPK tools. Use specialized EEPK extraction tools designed for Ego engine files to extract textures, meshes, and other assets to standard formats like PNG and OBJ. These tools enable detailed analysis and modification of game content. Save modified assets back to PSSG format for re-injection into the game files for custom car liveries or track modifications. Finally, replacing game files. Back up original PSSG files before modification, then replace them with modified versions in the game's installation directory. Test changes in-game to verify proper rendering and game functionality. Some racing games require unencrypted game directories or use of mod loaders to load custom PSSG files, modifying the original car and track graphics. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.